हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आप सभी का मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल में स्वागत है। आज मैं आप सभी को बताने वाली हूँ वर्ल्ड की इन्वेंशंस के बारे में कि क्या चीज़ किसने इन्वेंट की है। ये आपकी जनरल नॉलेज को बढ़ाएगा और साथ ही आपको ये अपनी जनरल नॉलेज के लिए आपको ये चीज़ें पता होनी चाहिए। अगर आप मेरे चैनल पर नए हैं और अभी तक मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो जल्दी करके मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए ताकि आपको और भी अपडेट्स मिलते रहे और वीडियो को शुरू से अंत तक जरूर देखें। Which scientist discovered the radioactive element radium? Marie Curie. What type of system did Paul Nipkow, John Baird and Charles Jenkins all invent? Television. Who invented fuel cells in 1839? Sir William Grove. Which insurance salesman invented the fountain pen in 1884? Lewis Edson Waterman. Who invented bakelite? Leo Hendrik Baekeland. In which year was MIDI introduced? 1983. Who invented automobiles using gas line? Carl Benz. Who invented rigid airship? Ferdinand von Zeppelin. Who invented jet engine? Sir Frank Whittle. Who invented internal combustion engine? Attini Lenore. Who invented ballpoint bell? Laszlo Biro. Who invented fountain pen? Petrarch Pinero. Who invented dynamite? Alfred Bernhardt Nobel. Who invented bifocal lens? Benjamin Franklin. Who invented electric generator? Charles F. Brush. In which decade was the ARL founded? 1910. In which decade was the Spice simulator introduced? 1972. In which decade did the first transatlantic radio broadcast occur? 1900s. The initials JCB on Earth Moving Equipment are those of the founder of the company that makes it. What is his name? Joseph Cyril Bamford. Where is the village of Branston after which the famous pickle is named? Staffordshire. When the milk tray first introduced? 1915. Until Victorian times, chocolate was thought of as a drink. When did the first chocolate bar appear? There is no sure date. Who was the first person to patent the jet engine? F. Whittle. Who came up with the idea for instant mashed potato? E. Esselbergs. It travels over land and water. Who invented the hovercraft? C. Cockerill. Who perfected genetic engineering? Stanley Cohen and Herbert Boyer. Who discovered the first practical method of freezing food? C. Birdseye. The electric battery. Who is charged with inventing this one? Volta. Who had an explosive idea and first planted dynamite? A Nobel. Who made cornflakes first? Kellogg. Who invented the first controllable flying airplane? Wright brothers. Which toy did George Lerner create for Hasbro Company in 1952? Mr. Potato Head. Which charge card developed in 1950 was the first to be accepted nationally in the US? Diners Club. Which drink was invented by Charles Slipper Grigg in 1929? 7-Up. Which office item was invented by Betty Nesmith Graham in 1951? Liquid paper. What device was invented by Anne Mowry in 1969 for new parents? Infant carrier. What item originally called the whirlwind was invented by Yves McGaffey in 1869? Vacuum cleaner. Which game was first produced by the Southern Novelty Company in Baltimore, Maryland in 1892? Ouija board. Which now ubiquitous device was invented by Zenith engineer Eugene Coley in 1955? Remote control. What treat was invented by 11-year-old Frank Epperson in 1905? Popsicle. What item of apparel was invented by Ellery Chun, a Hawaiian clothing merchant in 1931? Aloha shirt. Which toy was invented by Joshua Lyon Cowan around 1900? Electric train. What invention was Garnet Carter made its debut at the Fairlyland Inn Resort in Lookout Mountain, Tennessee in 1927? Miniature golf. What did cardiologist Dr. Paul Zoll invent in Massachusetts in 1952? Pacemaker. What beverage was invented by Charles Alderton in 1885 in Waco, Texas? Dr. Pepper. Which plaything was invented by George M.C. Wicker in 1956? Play-Doh. What furniture item was invented by California furniture designer Carl Prior Hall in 1968? Waterbed. What invention was first installed at a Hartford, Connecticut bank in 1889? Pay telephone. Ralph Samuelson was only 18 when he invented this sporting item in 1922. What was that? Water skill. What groovy item was invented by Englishman Edward Craven Walker in 1963? Lava lamp. Which of the following was first planted by an Australian in 1889? Electric drill. For over 500 years, paper was only available and sold as single sheets. In 1902, an inventive Australian used half-size sheets of paper, a bit of glue and cardboard to create the what? Notepad. Where were wigs first invented? Egypt. When were barcode scanners invented? 1972. In the 1700s, who would pay the postage fee for letters before the stamp was invented? The receiver of the letter. When was the first lawn mower invented? 1830. Who invented the battery? Alessandro Volta. When was barbed wire patented? 1874. Where was the yo-yo invented? China. What inspired reflecting road lights to be invented? The lights a cat's eye gave off on a fence. What invention caused many deaths while testing it? Parachute. When was Monopoly created? 1930. When was the Raggedy Ann doll patented? 1915. When was the game Frisbee invented? 1870. For whom high-heeled shoes were invented? King Louis VI. When was the first Lionel trains manufactured? 1901. For what does the world obey Almond Stover a debt of gratitude? Automatic telephone exchanges. For what is Charles Babbage remembered? Computers. Who developed the idea of crop rotation? Charles Townshend. Who invented the seed drill? Jethro Tull. Who invented the spinning jenny? James Hargreaves. What African American inventor received 5 patents in the field of shoemaking? Jan Ernest Metzinger. This part-time race car driver invented the bucket seat in 1969. Who was he? Steve McQueen. The Manhattan Project was started by President Roosevelt in 1942 to ensure that the US beat the Germans in developing a nuclear bomb. Whom did Roosevelt appoint as scientific head the Manhattan Project? Robert Oppenheimer. Who is the English physicist responsible for the Big Bang Theory? George Gamow. William Frederick is credited with the invention of the modern frisbee in the mid 1950s. In 1957, the Wham-O company bought this idea and the rest is history. They named the toy after William Frisbee, who was a pie maker. What is the name of the Caltech seismologist who invented the scale used to measure the magnitude of earthquakes? Charles Richter. Who is the only US president to invent and patent something? Abraham Lincoln. This English inventor is known as the father of computing. Charles Babbage. What invention is credited to the Russian-born American inventor Vladimir Kosma Zakharin? Iconoscope. Who was the first American female to patent her invention, a method of weaving straw with silk? Mary Kies. This statesman, politician, scholar, inventor, and one of our early presidents invented the swivel chair, the spherical sundel, and the moldboard plow, and the stepper wheel. Thomas Jefferson. Benjamin Franklin was a prolific inventor. He invented the lighting rod, the Franklin stove, studied electrically, discovered the Gulf Stream, started the first library, and on and on. Among his many other inventions, what musical instrument did he invent? Harmonium. Who is often called the first African American inventor? Benjamin Banneker. What was Frank Whittle's invention? Jet engine. What was Igor Sikorsky's invention? Helicopter. What was J.B. Dunlop's invention? Pneumatic rubber tire. What was George Pullman's invention? Pullman sleeper car. What was George Westinghouse's invention? Railway air brakes. What was Elisha Otis' invention? Otis elevator. What was Enrico Fermi's invention? Nuclear reactor. What was Benjamin Franklin's invention? Bifocal spectacles. What was Newton's invention? Reflecting telescope. Who invented the railway engine? George Stephen. Who invented radar? Heinrich Hertz. Who invented polio vaccine? Albert Sabin. Who developed the smallpox vaccination? Edward Jenner. Which one of the following was to be discovered first in the chromosphere of the sun? Helium. Which famous inventor ranks second in the number of patents registered? Edwin Land. थैंक यू। अगर आपको मेरी वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो वीडियो को लाइक ज़रूर कीजिए और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए।